create a project, go to the D drive, CD, Django, 14th November 7:30 p.m. DJANGO-admin, start project, session project 3 కదా 4, CD, session project 4, py, manage.py, start app, test app. Add application in settings.py, make migrations and migrate. Ivanni common steps because session table will be created. After that, view is the responsible to display the main page. Open Atom. Session project 4. Close this. 4 here. 4 settings. Test the app. Close all these. ఇప్పుడు make migrations కదా. py manage.py make migrations. py manage.migrate are. ఇప్పుడు ఒక view you have to create to display the main page, starting page. Test app, views, def, index_view, first argument is request, return, render, inside first argument is request, comma, test app slash 1 HTML home dot HTML bus. This is the view. home.io HTML file. Folders, right click, folders are templates, only folder, test app, inside file, home.html. We have to HTML code. Go to settings, create a variable template underscore dir base dir slash templates. This template dir give to the dirs. Save this. Come to here. Now I have to take getbootstrap.com. There up now we started course 1 month in the 1 month completed. Started practicing. Started and not started. Some next year, okay. Good decision. Because of upcoming year, very good for our lives, okay. Next year we will start, okay. Some people ki real world examples kavalanta. Sir, is there any lab session? Real world examples. ఎలా ఉండాలో ఇప్పుడు whatever we are doing, what about all these things? Same things happen into the applications only. Suppose you are implementing one application, you are asking student feedback. One feedback form we created. Login form. Inka next level. So many are there ORM concepts. So many will be there. Okay. Sunny is the real time example. Real world examples. మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటి ఏంటి డైలీ అసైన్మెంట్స్ అంటాం. If SAR is given daily assignment, weekly test, then we will get more knowledge anta. Daily test, daily assignment to weekly test lo, then we will get more knowledge. And one more thing, you are all very good in communication kada. You are all good in English. You are speak in English, eat in English, drink in English, talk in English, walk in English. చెప్తా ఎందుకన్నాను అది కూడా. So now I provided CSS link here. Next division tag, div tag. See, sincerely, who are interested, I know. Who are practicing, I'm seeing. But online students, what they are doing, I don't know now. These are all telling online students feedback yesterday. Daily test children task. We are grown up. Yeah, you are all complaint boys, and we are responsible. You have to practice it. If any doubts are there, lab mentors are there, go to there. Still, if they are not solving, then I will resolve those doubt. The main problem with online students are they are having some doubts. Every day they are asking doubt. They are sending one message, sir, I am getting this error, means how can I get it? If I see the code, if any error is there, I will resolve pakka. So what to do online student? They have to join the online labs. And then you need to ask those guys if any doubts are there. Directly for telling, sir, I am getting so and so error, please resolve. Means not only me, even the God also, no one can do anything. Without seeing code, yeah, we won't do anything. Suppose a small, sometimes I am getting errors because of spelling mistakes. If I am not showing code, I am showing error. Can you please tell me how to tell? No, the problem is settings.py now. HTML file problem or URLs problem. Once we see the one by one file, I will find out, I will trace it. So now div class container. Inside one more division I can provide it. Last class we are using somewhere else I'm using Jumbotron. Jumbotron. Now I want to provide H1 tag app. Now I have to give one. Yeah, still already lab mentors are there, Dhanush. You need to ask admin. Admin will provide that lab mentors numbers, everything. Yeah, I don't have that numbers, Dhanush. Actually, you need to ask your admin is there now. They will provide online lab mentor facility is there. Otherwise, how can you resolve online members? 100 to 150 members are there. If offline students, if any doubts are there, they are coming with their laptops and code. I will check it. I will resolve the doubts. Online students' doubts, how can I resolve? Chat GPT also can solve some doubts. Yeah, best thing. Whenever I'm given task, some people are asking Chat GPT and they have to write the code also. Then now, Jumbotron. I have to provide that anchor tag inside add item to the cart. I have to display one more anchor tag that is display items. I want to go with button type. So type button. Href. Okay. Okay, that one. Okay, fine. Now URL define. We will define URL. Yeah, don't speak in Telugu, only English. Actually, I don't know Telugu. Okay, but the people they are telling, sir is using Telugu words. Yeah, I came from where I came from, Mandapeta. We use dot, so I don't want to use Telugu. Now onwards. Even what happened? कुछ होता है क्या होता है oh that I think so only English only today onwards if anybody speaking Telugu I will give left and right anything English only if you have any doubts also you can speak with me only English from test app import views done start the server py manage.py run server started copy go to the browser no HTML jumbotron equal to center. Now come to this some more better. Sir, if we given role equal to button, then what will happen? Role equal to button. Any changes will be happen. Refresh. Oh, change kada. Class already given button type, so not required. I think that role. So now this is the main page ready. So first two views home.html ready the page. Wow, can you set the match for me? Sir, can you please share your image? పెళ్లి సముద్రం చూస్తాడేమో పంపిద్దాం yeah sure I will share tomorrow Sunday na I will go to studio I will take the some 3 4 best pictures and I will send to you Prajwal సార్ నెక్స్ట్ అమ్మో సిగ్గేస్తుంది నాకు. ఓ తెలుగు ఏ డోంట్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. వాట్ వీ కెన్ కాల్? ఓ షై. ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ షై. జస్ట్ వీ వాంట్ టు సీ. సార్ అగైన్ యూజింగ్ తెలుగు, యా సారీ. On Telegram, sir, DP is available. Sir, please on your video. Oh, no. Sir, you want, yeah. Don't, no Telugu. What we can call? English, English. ఏమంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్లో దాన్ని? సార్ నో. సార్ ఇప్పుడు నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు, సార్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు, యా లాస్ట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, display items means once items are available there in the cookies, then I want to display. If I want to click on add item, I have to display, sir, one form like some item. Okay, some item name and how many you can require quantity, and I want to click on submit button. Then these values I don't want store, I want to add to the cookie. Once added all cookies, then by using this one, I have to display. So form is required, sir. Now forms.py. One form I want to implement it. That is atom. Right click on test app, new file, forms.py. From DJANGO, import forms classes are the class name add item form. Inside forms dot normal form is enough, model form is not required because I don't want stored to the database. First column item name equal to forms dot character field. How many quantity you can require? Quantity equal to forms dot integer field. Bus. This is the form class. For this create object and send it to the file. View is the responsible to send this form to HTML file. view. So general once it defined add item form, create object this, send to one HTML file. So go to the views, take view, add item view. First argument request. What is the class name? Add item form, create object. The reference variable form. Now general everyday process is return, render, inside request, comma, test app slash add item dot html, comma, dictionary, form, colon, form. This add item is available from test app dot forms. Import. What is the class name? Add this one. But next, if you want to store that, it will be displayed one empty form. Okay. Mm. First, create HTML form, then code not completed. Wait, I will tell. Right click, new file, add item.html. Now, take the HTML code, home low, copy link, add item. So now, here, body, div, class, container, ln equal to center. How to display the form? h1 tag, add item form. For this form tag, inside class action not required, method equal to post curling brace form dot as underscore p. This is the DJANGO form compulsory. You can submit CSRF token compulsory. I want to one input type submit value, add item. This is the done. For this we have to go with URL, copy, add item, use dot, add item view. This one copy, home, add low, you can mention. Done. Come to here, browser, refresh, place the cursor, form will be displayed. Once I Python books 12, add item, what will happen? Nothing will happen, empty form displayed. I want to read these two values, create the cookie. So view is responsible total thing. Don't return. What to do? Stored into some variable stored. Once I clicking on this button, is it a get request or post request? Get a post? Post. The reason for that, in this, I mentioned method equal to post. So once I click on add item, post request. Now write the code. Now if request dot method, sorry, method equal to which method? Execute this code. Normal form can be overridden with user provided form. How to get that? Request dot post. All values are there. Minimum validations. If form dot is underscore valid. How to read the data from the text box? Get ante is it get request? No kada. I want to read data from there. Here item name content I want to read. There is one dictionary is there. What is the dictionary name? Cleaned underscore data. of what is the first one? Item names are stored into some variable. Now, form dot cleaned underscore data of quantity stored into variable. Done. Two are ready. How to set the cookie? Response dot. What is the method? Set underscore cookie name comma quantity. Come outside all. Now return this response. Now data will be added to the cookie. This is the code. And even though if I run the program, Python 12 books add. We are not printing anywhere. That's why it is not displayed. The data is available into the cookies. So if you want to display print request dot now Python 12 add. Sir, added, not added? Added kada. So printing not required, just your understandable purpose. I created cookie, returned that. So this is the view code. So once all data is added cookies, now I want to read the data display. Can you share your Telegram ID? Sure, end of the session I will share. Already I'm given so many times now. Add item. Send DJANGO material. Django. పెద్ద పెద్ద డౌట్లే ఉన్నాయి. So done, completed this one, views. So in add item.html, the code is, this is the code. This is the code. Completed కదా views.py. Final గా read data from cookies display to HTML file. So now first one is done. This one, okay. Whatever data is available there, I want to read display. So in the view, write a small function. Go to views, def display items view request. Just one HTML file you can send. Return render request comma test app slash display items.html bus. So in that page, I want to display. So an HTML file required, display items.html. Set create one, copy this HTML file, right click, new file, display.html. HTML code we have to write. Body h1, sure. Shopping cart items. Okay. For this one, URL is required. Come to here, copy, paste. The URL is display items view. This is display home completed. Just that heading will be displayed. Display. I want to display in the form of the table whatever elements I added there. Come to the HTML file. Display. If the dictionary contains values are known, how to check it? Percentage. If request dot what is the dictionary name? Cookies. If data is available there, create one table with border some 3 pixels. First table head th item name. Next heading quantity. Now next here I want to read data from the cookies. How to read a dictionary is there. Key value pairs I want to read from dictionary. How to read? For what is the function? Items. Key comma value in what is the dictionary name? Request dot cookies dot items. If it is available, first table row, first table data, you can display the key. Second table data, you can display value. Bus table after tr for loop you can close first. End for after table. Suppose first if condition not satisfied, percentage else. Display the paragraph. Sorry boss, no items in the shopping cart. Now and if completed. So if it is there within the table, I am reading all and printed. If request.cookie is empty, no items. Come to this. Remove this. Add items. Python already added. Django 15 and Java 23 and added Selenium 19 and added data science 29 and testing added 17. Done. Now display Python, Django, Java, Selenium, data science. One thing extra added. What it is? How to remove that one? Remove. I want only items. Suppose you are selected some items, so it will display cart of items only these things only. But that CSRF token I want to delete. Display none. I don't want, sir. How to remove this one? The problem is copy this URL. Go to new browser. In the new browser, any data is available? No kada. Yeah. Now, if I click on this one, what will happen? Actually, which message you will get? No items in the shopping cart, but not displayed. And by default, once form submitted CSF token, but when it will display no items found, then delete చేయాలి అప్పటికన్నా రాదు. Well, first of all, how to remove here this one? Except these remaining, I want to. key value kada. Give a small condition percentage. If the key is not equal to CSRF token, underscore is there, not there. If it is not CSRF token, then only will be displayed table row end for compulsory close this gone. So it will be displayed. For example, when that message is coming, na, I will show that message also. No items found. Go to the no items in the shopping cart because I'm not added anything. That will be displayed. So like that, we have to add. So for example, yesterday I'm telling na temporary and permanent cookies. Here if I am given 60 seconds, then what will happen? After 1 minute ki refresh, items are available there. Now 829. So after that, if we can refresh it, one by one, one by one will be gone. Because time I can given 60 seconds. తగ్గిద్దాం 10. Come here, refresh. Now 10 seconds you have to wait. పోట్ల పోవాలి. Set underscore cookie name quantity 10. ఉన్నాయి అన్నీ. ఏఐ పోయింది చూసారా, ఏఐ గాన్, డిఎస్ గాన్. అలా ఎవ్రీ 10 సెకండ్స్కి ఓహో ఆఫ్టర్ సెట్టింగ్ ద టైమ్ ఇట్ విల్ బీ గాన్. ఇవి పోవు. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఐ గాట్ ద లాజిక్. 20 seconds. So once we set the time, whatever values we are added, now AI 12 books, DS 13 books, React 16. You can display first one gone already because 20 seconds already over. This one AI DS React. Okay. Now we are provided 20 seconds time. Refresh. AI పోయింది. DS gone. After మళ్ళీ 20 seconds ki React gone. Now you have to provide a time also. You need to provide present time వద్దండి. Save. ఇప్పుడు what is required final గా display items code you can require. Display items. So that is the way of providing cart application. What about New Year celebrations? Oh, sorry, DJANGO practicing kada. Mhm. DJANGO practicing. So, what are problems in cookies? So, the first problem with the cookies are cookies can store very small amount of data. If the data is very large data, then cookies are the not best choice. And cookies can be stored only string information. Suppose my data is non-string. Suppose I want to store one object, then cookies are not suitable. So the first problem is by using cookies, we can store very less amount of information. The size of cookies is fixed. By using cookies, we can store very less amount of information. The size of cookies is fixed. Hence, if we want to store huge amount of information, then cookies is not best choice. That is the first problem of the cookie. Second one, Cookies can hold only string information. Cookies can hold only string information. If we want to store non-string objects, we cannot use cookies. Cookies information can be stored server side or client side. Client side. Because in RMP doctor, whenever doctor given prescription, the slip is available patient or doctor. Patient. If the slip is gone, doctor won't do anything. So there is no security for the data. Cookies information is stored on client side and hence there is no security. Suppose same client sending multiple time request. Every time server will send the cookie. Along with the cookies, we have to send a request to the server. Unnecessarily, traffic will be increased in the network every time with every request. Browser will send all the cookies related to that application, which creates network traffic problems. ఫైనల్గా ఎవ్రీ బ్రౌజర్కి limited size of cookies only will be stored. There is a limit on max number of cookies supported by browser. To overcome these limitations, we should go for session API. The story. What is the maximum limit of the size means? Max number of cookies supported by browser. We can ask to the Google. Google will tell. Maximum number of cookies supported by the browsers. The complete information is that cookie size and impact on the క్లియర్గా ఎక్కడ ఉంది cookies. ఇంకోండి అదంలో 4096 అంట. ఇంకోండి బ్రౌజరు దాని డీటెయిల్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం సైజ్ క్రోమ్కి మ్యాక్సిమం 4096 బైట్స్, ఫైర్ఫాక్స్కి 4097, ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ 4095, లేటెస్ట్ 5117, ఒపేరా, సఫారీ. ఇది సైజెస్ మ్యాక్సిమం సైజ్ ఫర్ కుకీస్. So this is the problems. That's why we can go to session API. So దీనికి already in our settings session framework is there. django.contrib.sessions. By using that, we have to create session APIs. The story. Monday we will discuss about that session APIs.